Legend! Zeke, you're a bully. Hey, Gypsy. Are you wet? Are you wet? Did you have a bath too, huh? Because he had a bath. Be nice, you two boys. Zeke. Zeke, let him have it. Zeke. Come here. Come here. Hi, Legend. Legend. Come here. Attaboy. Attaboy. Yeah. Floppy and wet. I hope we got all the burrs out of you. It was a long, long bath for you. Might have a little bit to work on there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Zeke! And Coco. Just laying by the door because Mark's not here. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh. Hey! No! Not my shoes! No! No to the shoes. They're not toys. There you go. That's a toy. There's Abby in the way. Hi, Legend. Yeah? You having a fun day today, huh? At my expense. At least you're happy. At least you're happy. Look at that dopey look on your face. Look at that dopey look on your face. Legend, legend, legend. Legend, legend, legend. Hi. Where did this come from? Are you serious? Did you drag that out of my room? Did you drag that out of my room? This belongs in my room. It's a bed, not a freaking tug-of-war toy. What am I going to do with you? And you. Look at you.